Kids TV. Today we're going to be making a purple glitter slime. So the first thing we'll need is some washable school glue and glitter. I'm going to be using the second one to the bottom. And food dye, gel food dye. I have water and the third blue ball. And the red blue ball is my activator. And the third blue ball is blank, so we can make the slime in it. So let's get started. The first thing I want to add is glue. Then I'm going to add food dye after that. Need to get all of it out. So after you get that all out, I'm going to use the purple gel. Right? And I'm going to add about 5 little drops. That was a big drop, so I'm going to count that as 2 drops. 3, 4, 5. Right? Now I'm going to put the cap back on and mix it all up. It's nice. I like the one that's like not mixed all the way in. It has like pretty purple sprays or any color that you're adding into your glue. Then I'm going to add some water to our slime. Probably not the whole bowl, but like half and half, a little bit. And I'm going to mix it up again. Little bit of water, a lot of water. It's a long way. It's really watery. Just need to mix it up a little bit more then. All right, so I went and got some scissors so I can cut the top of the glitter. Try to cut it a little bit in the angle. Now I'm gonna pour it into my slime. All right. So I'm gonna mix that up. Ooh, pretty. I like it. It kind of looks blue, so I'm gonna add a little more because I tried to make it a lot more. Now that's done, yeah, mix it in again. Alright, that looks better. Okay, now I'm going to add my activator. I want to add little bits at a part because I don't want to over-activate it. I mean, I know that's not going to make the whole slime together. I just don't want to add too much at a time because that could ruin or mess up the slime. And so it doesn't just like clump up in one spot with the activator. You really need to get around too and like do it in a circle so the activator spreads out and it gets everywhere. Right, I'm gonna add just a little bit more activator. Now that's done. So I got that. I got a little clump in there. Need to add more. Need to mix that up. And so I got a little clump of that. need to add a little bit more. Look at it coming together. It's getting really stretchy. Got some clumps in there. Yay! Need to add a little bit more over here. Right now, if you might be hearing it, we have Rio on. And Koi didn't want to join us today, but it's okay. Just need to keep mixing it all together. I need to mix it and knead it. It's really stretchy. So I think my slime's done. I'm going to try to get it out of the bowl. But it might need a little more activator. A little bit. It's nice and soft. Yeah. That for me. So it's a little sticky. It also has nice pokes, so I'm going to try to add a little bit of activator. Need to just poke it in, make the sword it in. See, I want to see it make a bubble. So I'm going to perfect bubble, so let me try that again. That's a big one. I like how the glitter just slips down. Well, there it goes, pop. It's a little sticky still. Yeah, there's my dog. And here's a little tip on when you make slime. When you make slime and then it's not sticking to the table, and it's just a little sticky, maybe instead of adding more activator, you just need to knead it in a little bit, because sometimes when you knead it in a lot, it stops being sticky. And if you add the activator in, it might over-activate your slime. Alright, so it has really nice pokes. Let's see. Ooh, got good cracks too. That was a big one. So that was about it for today. Bye.